Top 6 free tools every small business entrepreneur should use. Yes, that's right. Free tools. Using the right tools makes launching and managing a business way simpler, without breaking the bank. These tools will help you save money, stay organized, manage your marketing and accounts, and streamline your operations, all without spending a single dollar. Welcome to our video, let's get started. Tool number 1. Google Workspace Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, Meet and Chat. It is a web-based and desktop application that allows users to access, manage, and share files and folders stored in Google Drive. Here's the URL, not to be confused with the paid version. Docs is for writing and collaboration, Sheets is for budgeting, Slides is for presentations, Drive is for securely storing files, Meet is for video conferencing services, and lastly we have Google Chat, which is for communication and collaboration. We recommend you look at the Google Workspace Learning Center. See link below in the description. Tool number 2. Canva Design Made Simple. This is the ultimate free graphic design tool for small business owners. Canva's drag and drop interface lets you create professional logos, social media posts, flyers and more in minutes. We recommend you watch Tutorial for Beginners 2024, How to Start Using Canva Step by Step. See link below in the description. Tool number 3. Is Trello Project Management for Beginners. Staying on top of tasks and deadlines is tough when you are running a small business. That's why Trello is an essential free tool for entrepreneurs. It uses a simple board and card system to help you organize projects, track progress, collaborate with your team and manage tasks in one shared space. We recommend you watch How to Use Trello 2025, full in-depth tutorial. See link below in the description. Tool number 4. Zipbooks free accounting and invoice software. Zipbooks is a cloud-based solution designed to streamline accounting, invoicing and financial management for small businesses. The platform offers a range of features particularly well suited for freelancers with straightforward financial needs. We recommend you watch Zipbooks Tutorial 2025, How to Use Zipbooks for Beginners, Step by Step. Check out link in the description below. Tool number 5. Hubspot free email marketing tools. Get set up fast, and start checking off your toughest tasks, all in one place with their smart CRM. Create email marketing, task management, ad campaign management, as well as allowing users to create landing pages, forms and scheduling pages. HubSpot's free, easy-to-use CRM tools are now powered by AI. We recommend you watch How to Use HubSpot CRM, all-in-one free CRM software for small business, HubSpot tutorial. Check out link in the description below. Tool number 6. Google Analytics Understand Your Website Visitors. Google Analytics gives you the tools, free of charge, to understand your customer journey and improve marketing return on investment. Understanding your audience is essential to growing your business. You will get detailed data on who's visiting your website, how they found you, and what pages they interact with most. We recommend watching the video, Google Analytics 4 Tutorial for Beginners, 2025, GA4 Tutorial for Beginners, GA4 course. See link in the description below. Final words to wrap this up. These free small business tools cover every aspect of your startup. There should be something for everyone from planning and design to marketing and finances. Using these tools not only saves money but also increases your efficiency and professionalism. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.